Most people want to improve their English. Very few know how to study alone the right way. Today, I'll show you the exact words and habits that turn self-study into real progress. Introduction. Self-study is one of the most powerful ways to learn English. In this lesson, you will learn 30 important English words related to self-study with clear meanings and simple examples you can use in real life. Let's begin. 1. Self-study. Learning by yourself without a teacher. Example: I improved my English through self-study. 2. Discipline. The ability to control yourself and stay focused. Example: discipline helps me study every day. 3. Motivation. The reason you continue learning. Example: motivation keeps me going. 4. Consistency. Doing something regularly over time. Example: consistency leads to success. 5. Focus. Giving full attention to one task. Example: focus helps you learn faster. 6. Time management. Using time effectively. Example: good time management improves results. 7. Goal setting. Deciding what you want to achieve. Example: goal setting gives direction. 8. Self-motivation. Pushing yourself without others. Example: self-motivation builds independence. 9. Concentration. Deep mental attention. Example: quiet places improve concentration. 10. Independent learning. Learning without relying on others. Example: independent learning builds confidence. 11. Learning habit. A regular study behavior. Example: strong habits lead to progress. 12. Note-taking. Writing down important information. Example: note-taking improves memory. 13. Active reading. Reading while thinking and questioning. Example: active reading improves understanding. 14. Reflection. Thinking about what you learned. Example: reflection helps you grow. 15. Mindset. Your attitude toward learning. Example: a positive mindset changes results. 16. Self-evaluation. Checking your own progress. Example: self-evaluation shows improvement. 17. Learning style. Your preferred way of learning. Example: everyone has a different learning style. 18. Digital tools. Apps and websites for learning. Example: digital tools make study easier. 19. Study routine. A planned study schedule. Example: a routine keeps you organized. 20. Self-improvement. Working to become better. Example: learning leads to self-improvement. 21. Persistence. Continuing despite difficulty. Example: persistence brings success. 22. Commitment. Strong dedication to learning. Example: commitment separates learners from quitters. 23. Practice. Doing something repeatedly. Example: practice builds skill. 24. Progress. Gradual improvement over time. Example: small steps show progress. 25. Patience. Accepting slow improvement calmly. Example: learning requires patience. 26. Curiosity. Desire to learn more. Example: curiosity drives growth. 27. Accountability. Taking responsibility for learning. Example: self-study needs accountability. 28. Organization. Keeping plans and materials structured. Example: organization saves time. 29. Self-confidence. Belief in your ability to learn. Example: confidence grows with practice. 30. Lifelong learning. Learning throughout life. Example: self-study supports lifelong learning. Final inspiration. Self-study is not about being perfect. It is about showing up every day, even when motivation is low. If you improve just a little each day, your confidence will grow. Your skills will grow and your future will change. Learning is not a race. It is a personal journey. Stay consistent, stay patient, and trust the process. Subscribe message. If this lesson helped you, subscribe to the channel. This channel is for learners who want real progress, clear explanations, and practical English. Subscribe now, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson.